Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a floating image frame effect using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas. First I place an image and convert it into a smart object. Then I draw a frame slightly larger than the image. After that I position the image so it slightly overlaps the frame. Now I add soft shadows to create a floating illusion. Next I adjust frame thickness to enhance depth. Then I fine-tune alignment and spacing. After this I experiment with background colors. Now I zoom out to check realism. Finally I polish the effect until the image looks like it's floating inside a modern frame.